If you notice unexplained scratches on your car, it may have been vandalized. While discovering a keyed vehicle is frustrating, some damage can be fixed at home. Keep watching to learn what to do next, which scratches you can repair yourself, and when to visit a body shop. What to do if your car was keyed. Inspect your car in daylight for new scratches or marks, checking all panels and doors. Take clear photos with your phone to document everything, since they'll help when reporting to police or filing an insurance claim. Look for nearby CCTV or security cameras where you parked. Tell the owners your car was keyed and ask for a copy of the footage, which may show the vandal. File a police report and share all details, your car's make and model, when it happened, and a clear description of the damage. Provide any suspects or security footage to help them investigate. Contact your insurance company to start a claim. Keying is usually covered only under comprehensive coverage, so explain what happened and send photos of the damage to see if repairs are covered. How to fix clear coat scratches at home. First, clean the key marks. Spray warm soapy water on the scratch, then wipe it with a lint-free cloth to remove any dirt. Want to check how deep it is? Wipe the mark with rubbing alcohol. If it disappears and then comes back a few seconds later, it's only on the clear coat. If it stays visible, the paint is scratched. Next, tape off the area. Put masking tape about 1 inch above and 1 inch below the scratch, and make the strips about the same length as the mark. Now wet sand with 3000 grit sandpaper. Spray the area with soapy water and wet the sandpaper too. Gently sand across the scratch, not along it, for about 15 seconds. Wipe it dry and check. If you still see the mark, repeat until it fades. After that, blend it in with 5000 grit sandpaper. Move the tape about 1 inch farther away from the scratch, wet the surface again, and sand in light circular motions to smooth everything out. Then polish the spot. Put a coin-sized amount of polish on a clean cloth and rub in circles. Work it in, then wipe off any extra. Finally, wax the repaired area. Apply wax in circular motions, let it turn hazy, and buff it off with a clean towel. How to repair paint scratches at home. First, spray the scratch spot with soapy water and wipe it clean with a lint-free towel. Then use 800 grit sandpaper to gently smooth any rough or sharp edges and wipe away the dust. Next, place masking tape just above and below the scratch so you don't hit the surrounding paint. Find your car's paint code, get matching touch-up paint, and dab on thin coats. Let each coat dry about 5 minutes and keep layering until the scratch disappears and the paint sits slightly higher than the surface. After that, remove the tape and lightly sand the touch-up paint until it's level with the rest of the panel. Apply clear coat in thin layers, letting each one dry at least 10 minutes. If it looks uneven, add another layer. Finally, wet sand with higher grits to blend everything smooth, then buff with polish and circular motions to bring back the shine. When to see a professional for a keyed car. Go to a body shop if the key marks are large, or go through the paint and expose bare metal, since that can lead to rust and bigger repairs later. Costs vary by size and how many panels are damaged. Small single-panel scratches may be under $100, while long scratches across multiple panels can exceed $500. If your insurance covers it, they may recommend approved shops. Skip a detailer for deep scratches because they can't fix damage that goes through the paint and clear coat. And preventing your car from getting keyed. Park in a well-lit or secure spot. Choose garages or busy, well-lit areas to reduce the risk of vandalism. Use security cameras or a dash cam. Visible cameras can deter vandals and provide evidence if damage occurs. Park carefully and leave space. Stay within the lines and give nearby cars room to avoid provoking others. Apply a protective coating. Paint protection film helps prevent scratches and shields your car's finish. Start a neighborhood watch. Work with neighbors to monitor suspicious activity and report issues quickly. Maintain positive relationships. Being respectful and friendly lowers the chances of someone targeting your car. Thanks for watching.